At the Umansky Law Firm, we believe everyone deserves a second chance.
Hi, I'm attorney Zara Umansky with the Umansky Law Firm, and I'm going to discuss today charges of shoplifting. If you've been charged or arrested with shoplifting, it's a serious crime. It's a crime of dishonesty, so you've got to make sure it's handled the correct way in terms of school and employment or scholarships if you're a student. So you want to make sure you consult with an attorney before making any decisions. If you've never been in trouble before and you've been charged with shoplifting, your attorney may be able to get you in what's called a diversion program. A diversion program diverts you from the court system. Your attorney will enter a plea of not guilty for you, and you will sign an agreement with the prosecutor's office stating that you will complete certain conditions, such as maybe take a theft class, do some community service hours, pay money to be in the program. And once you complete those type of conditions, then the charges will be dropped against you. So if you've been charged with shoplifting, you definitely want to see if you're eligible for that program. Once the charges are dropped, then you can discuss with your attorney whether or not you're eligible for an expungement. Shoplifting charge does not necessarily have to be a petty theft. You might even be charged with something more serious like a grand theft. There's different levels of shoplifting. If you're accused of taking an item or items less than $100, then you're usually accused of a second-degree misdemeanor petty theft, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine, or up to 6 months probation. If you're accused of stealing $100 to $300 worth of merchandise, then you're charged with petty theft of a first-degree misdemeanor type. That carries a maximum penalty of up to 1 year in jail, a $1,000 fine, or up to 1 year of probation. If you're accused of taking more than $300 worth of merchandise, then it's called a grand theft, and it is a felony, and you could potentially face up to 5 years in prison, a $5,000 fine, and or 5 years probation. If you have a prior theft charge, then it's even more important to hire an attorney, because the state, if you were convicted previously, can upgrade the theft to a more serious crime. And the prosecutor may try to have you convicted. If you are convicted in Florida of a theft charge, you can lose your driver's license for up to 6 months. So you do not want to go into court and plea without the advice of an attorney if you're a subsequent offender charged with shoplifting.